Yes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. So all fine? Yes. Okay. Yes, I'm good. I'm always fine. What about you? Okay. Good. Yes. Audio, video, all okay. Ah. Yes, Bagundara. Okay, good, very good. So audio, video, all clear. Okay. Okay. So now, hmm. So I think today result is going to be declared. But our result, okay, you need to just wait for 1 year for the okay great result. Sometimes what happens, success is little bit delayed but not denied, people say. Same thing for us. Some mistakes that you might have done in the 12th class, sometimes some mistakes we know, knowingly unknowingly we do some mistakes, and because of that some more time is required for the success, so there is no problem. Yes, good morning, good morning. And people just like you are only getting the success, just like you people top the examination, just like you only people become the doctor. So ultimately, okay, you are the best material for the doctor. Okay, one thing is that confidence is required, that is the self confidence. Yes, I can do the things. And throughout this journey, not a single time, okay, sir, this time I am getting 563, but still I am not going to get seat this year. Very good. Okay, so basically what I am saying, okay, you are getting 563, very good. So what I am saying basically, that entire this 1 year journey that we are going to, okay, already yesterday started, not a single time get demotivated. That's the one thing. And always, okay, you are not going to get college this year, 100% you will get, okay, next year. Whatever the points I am saying, just focus on those points, you will get, okay. So what I am saying that and never compare yourself with others. Okay, this is my all time I ask this question to, okay, whenever any batch we start, this is the first question I asked to you as well as your parents also. Can I make it 700 next year? One thing is there. Do you know what are the maximum marks in the examination? Maximum marks? Snehalata is asking. Maximum marks. So this is the first thing that you are wrong here, because okay, first question I ask and you are wrong. Maximum marks are not 720. This is the first thing that we think. Maximum marks are the 800. Out of 800 only, out of 800 you have to get 720. So how this mindset? We are not going to prepare for 720. We are going to prepare for 800. Out of 800 we have to get, as per, okay, your capabilities. We can get 720, we can get 710, we can get 75, we can get, okay, 690. So out of 800, not out of 720. So first of all, never think that we are going to prepare for, okay, 720. We have 800. Out of 800 we are having preparation, because you will not leave a single thing. Whenever we are preparing, suppose we are having you are having biology, you will not leave a single para or something that, okay, let's leave. You will do all the things from beginning to the, okay. So when we are doing all the things, same in the physics, will not leave a single thing. Yes, maybe somewhere one mistake, two mistakes we might do. Even NTA is also doing the same thing. Okay, they are doing so many mistakes that our students are not doing. Our students are more confident than the NT are doing so many mistakes sometimes. Later on, they are, okay, asking, yes, you can claim, then we'll give the marks. So one thing is there, and people are getting also, yes, very good marks are coming. Okay, it will be declared. So first thing that you have to set your mindset, we are fighting for the 800, not for the, or not out of the 720. Okay, because when this attitude will be there, we will not leave a single thing. You are having any line in the NCERT, you are not getting. Okay, you will read again and again till you are not getting the meaning of that thing. I hope you are getting that point. Huh? So change your mindset. Our maximum marks change to 800, not your 720. Number one thing, yes. So this was the first question he asked, and you were wrong. Now I'm going to ask second question. Before you ask me any question, okay, I will ask second question. Okay. So second question is my usual question asked to everyone. Means in all the batches I ask this one. And to you and mainly to your parents, I ask this question because sometimes parents are not able to get what you are going through. Sometimes your process, your journey is a little bit tough. And sometimes parents think that you are getting less marks. Okay, why? Okay, and they are not able to feel. So this is actually for the, in the beginning, sometimes for the parents. Question is, there are the 2 kids. Initially, I used to ask for 3 kids. Now I just, okay, to make it short, I just saying 2 kids are there. One kid is, here we can say, this is one ear kid that can just crawl, okay? Only crawling is there like this. And there is another kid that is the 2 ear, okay? This is the, we can say 1 ear, and this is the 2 ear. And this 2 ear kid can, okay, can walk as well as run also. So 2 kids, okay, like this, so many kids are coming to me, and suppose I am the, okay, I am the trainer for, okay, Olympic, some Olympic is there, and I am the trainer for that. And people feel if I train out of, okay, whatever the batch is there, out of that, one will be the topper from that batch only. Yes, means that will be the your number 1 in that race. This faith is there among the public that whatever, okay, whoever will be there, that will be from that batch only. Okay, so one is the 1 ear that can barely, okay, crawl properly, and this can even run also. Okay, race is not now, race is after 14-15 years, suppose. Okay, after 14-15 year, race is there. They came right now. Okay, parents came that yes, you have to train, and then okay, they have to be, okay, anyone how to win the race. So now you have to tell that A or B, which one is going to win that race after 15 years? This is the question. Yes, who is going to win the race, A or B? Tell the options. Only 2 options. If 4 options are there, it can be somewhat confusing. Now I have given only 2 options. It is very easy to select. Who is going to win? A, B? No, winner will be only 1. Only 1 winner will be there. Okay? Winner cannot be 2. Okay? Only 1 winner will be there. And this is also there. That cannot be out of this. Whatever the set we are having, out of that set, only winner will be there. Yes? So you can say a lot of people are saying A, a lot of people are saying B. Actually, we cannot tell right now. Right now, no one can say who is going to be the winner. Whoever will be consistent throughout these 15 years in the practice, consistence, hard work, that is going to be the winner. If this A compare, okay, if A is doing the comparison with B, that B is running fast, I am not able to even run also, I am not able to even walk properly also, B will be the winner. So because of that comparison, A will not be able to focus even single time on its own preparation, and A will lose. If B is doing the comparison that A is not able to walk, what it will do, I am able to run, I will win the race. With this overconfidence, B will be losing the game. So ultimately, whoever will be the consistent, we don't know what will happen in this, okay, in this long duration. No one knows this thing. Hard work and consistency is the key. That will be the your number 1 in the race. Same for you. Sometimes in the beginning, your basics are weak. Someone might be having good basics. Today we'll start with the basic mathematics. So someone might be having very, very good basics. Physics is never tough. Generally, people say physics is tough. That is not correct. whatever the medium we need to communicate with the physics. Like suppose you are going to restaurant to meet someone. If okay, I am going to, and okay, suppose I'm going somewhere and I know little bit Telugu, but suppose someone is that don't know Telugu, even okay, kuncham Telugu also they don't know. So basically they will be able to communicate. It is not possible. So for the communication, that language is required. Then only we can communicate properly. Then only we can get the what this question is trying to say, what this person is trying to say. So main thing is your communication, and we can only communicate when we have good mathematics. And not mathematics, this is the basic mathematics, only just basic things we need in the mathematics, how to do plus, how to do minus, like this. So that we are going to do. So some people will be having poor basic mathematics. That does not mean they cannot win the race. Some might be having very strong mathematics, does not mean right now that they are going to top the examination. What will decide? Whoever is going to continue this journey with consistent hard work. That is the only one thing. So this thing you have to remember, that we cannot compare. Sometimes in the first examination you got very good marks and someone got very less marks, does not decide that same marks they are going to get in the final examination. So this thing parents also need to understand, that's in beginning somewhere, okay, if marks are less, no need to pressurize, because ultimately we will be winning the race only if we are stress free. Okay, so don't have stress at a single time. And okay, if parents are watching this video, then for the parents also I'm saying that pressure is good, but okay, if you increase the pressure to a certain limit, in our physics we have one chapter also, that the stress strain behavior, probably you people know, parents may not know this thing, that after a certain limit, if you keep on increasing the stress, wire will break. So we have to increase the stress, but not not beyond that point. Okay. Yes. So I hope 2-3 things I said. Consistency, hard work we have to do, and we don't have to compare ourselves. Comparison is not the good thing. Okay. Yes. Not okay. We will not compare at any moment of time. Not like this. Okay. In the beginning only. Okay. In the beginning only. Breaking stress. Yes, I was saying. That's very good. You remember. Okay. So can we start the things now? Can we start the things? Already in the first class, sir started your calculus part, that the integration and the differentiation, you know, integration and differentiation almost in each chapter we use. And second very important topic that we are having in the basic mathematics, that is the trigonometry. So are we ready for that? Yes? Okay. And whenever any doubt or anything is there, okay, probably you will not get that single doubt also, but you can ask freely whenever anything is there. Okay, so write heading trigonometry. Okay, in the trigonometry means you can write, or I will also write here. Okay, now if in this one, if I ask what we are going to do ultimately in the trigonometry, you can say that this is the nothing but the measurement of angle. Okay, so trigonometry means measurement of angle, and you have seen in lot of chapters starting from your vector. Okay, that first chapter that you will be having. Okay, main syllabus vector will come. Angle is required. I hope you have complete idea about the angles. Okay, but I will not treat like that you know all the basic mathematics. I will just treat you like the 6th, 7th, 8th class students. Okay, meanwhile this basic mathematics is going on, we will just do, because we only need up to 10th class. Whatever we have done in the 10th, 8th class, and whatever few things from the 10th class, that much mathematics we need. So we are having basically measurement of angle. You can write here. Okay, trigonometry means measurement of angle. Okay, now if I ask what is the angle? Okay, so cutting angle in short, I can say this one, we can say this is the reference line. Okay, means this is our reference line here, and this point is, we can say O. This is the reference line, and now this reference line I will rotate by certain amount. Okay, and if I rotate by certain amount, then this amount of rotation, this is the reference line, I will rotate this one by certain amount. Now reference line reaches at this point, so we can say this is the amount of rotation, and this amount of rotation is known as This amount of rotation is known as angle. Okay, so simply we can say angle, and that we will represent this angle by theta here. So we can say this one is amount of rotation, and this amount of rotation is known as angle. Okay, so you can write here in the short. No one is going to ask these definitions, of course. You can write here amount of, okay, amount of rotation. Okay, amount of rotation, and this line is known as your reference line. Okay, this is the reference line. So amount of rotation with the reference line is known as your angle. Anyone having any doubt in this one? Now, if I say this movement is clockwise or anti-clockwise, when I'm going like this is a clockwise or anti-clockwise? What do you say? Moving like this, clockwise or anti-clockwise? At least you have seen the watch, clockwise, anti-clockwise, you can say. So we can say if it is going like this, then this is the moving like this, then this one is the, okay, clockwise. Clockwise, na? And if I go like this, then this is the anti-clockwise. Here I am going like this, okay? So like this means this is the anti-clockwise, this is the ACW, okay? Now for the angle we have this means we are assuming this thing that anti-clockwise will take as positive. Anti-clockwise will take as positive, okay? And clockwise angle will take as negative, okay? So this is just, you can, okay? We have assumed this thing, anti-clockwise will take as positive and clockwise will take as negative. If I need somewhere, as per my convenience, I can change also, but this is the universally accepted, okay? Universally accepted. Same thing will you teach in the offline class. Listen, in offline classes, right now I will go. Means right now I'm in the online. After some time I will go in the offline class. Means just after this class. So there also it will be there. Don't think like you when you will come here, then okay, this topic will be over, then new topics will be started. Okay. So listen these things very seriously. Very simple things are there, and very simple things as well as, okay, these things they ask like clockwise and anti-clockwise. I said na, you might be thinking that this is the so simple thing. In 2019, when angle of dip was asked, angle of dip, I think you have idea, angle of dip na? Yes, in that one this positive and negative thing was used. This very small convention, this small convention that generally we ignore. I also said that if okay, universally accepted this one. So very basic things, okay, sometimes we need. Up to when there will be online classes will be all, okay, continued. One online batches are there, others are the offline batches, it will be there. But I think I should not, okay, this thing you can get all the information by calling our helpline number. I should not waste much time here. Okay, so you have to remember anti-clockwise is the positive and clockwise is the your negative thing, okay? So now I will ask in next slide, okay, from here, because sometimes we have to use this thing, okay? Lot of people, those who forget this thing, they were not able to answer that question of angle of dip. So I hope you have written everything out of the slide. And now for you, tell me first, this amount of rotation is suppose here 30 degree. Okay, this is the 30 degree amount of rotation, and now you have to tell me here in this one that okay, this will be plus 30 or minus 30. This theta is plus 30 or minus 30. Make it fast. This is the reference line. Reference line. This theta is basically, you can say, your plus 30. Okay, we need rarely, I'm again saying that rarely we need, but very important we need to consider this thing. Here I'm going like this, and now you have to tell me this angle is 45 here, okay, and this one is there. Means of course down means reference line is here, down means we are having your movement clockwise or anti-clockwise. You can certainly say here this one is going to be minus 45. So theta equal to, we can say, minus 45 degree. I hope there is no problem in this positive and negative part. Finished. Clockwise, anti-clockwise will not do any single mistake here. Finished. Okay, so going to the next slide now. Next slide. You need to be okay. You need to be a little bit quick. I will be quick so that we can do a lot of things. Okay, slowly we need to increase our speed also. So now we have. Listen, in this one we can say When we are moving like this and then we are coming here, suppose this angle is theta. Now we can say this movement is, okay, everyone knows, okay, that in the circle I can say, okay, like this is the, suppose, okay, here, this one is the circle here. And now, if I say this, in this circle, this one is known as diameter or radius? Diameter or radius? Of course, you know this one is the radius, okay? Just, okay, I'm confirming. So we can say this one is the R here, and I can say this is my reference line here, okay, reference line. And now I'm moving this reference line from, this is the point O, from this position to, suppose I removed here. So now we can say that this part, okay, is known as, what you can say, name for this one? Can we say arc length? Yes. So this one is basically known as your arc, okay? This one is the arc, or we can say arc length, but in short I can say arc, okay? And I can say this arc as L and radius as R. This is the radius here. This was the radius that we were saying R. So this theta is basically given by theta equal to how much? One important formula that everyone knows, theta equal to, yes, arc by radius, na? Yes. So we can write here theta equal to, in this one we can write arc by radius, and we are going to use multiple times this formula. We can say this is the L by R, means theta equal to arc by radius. We can write here in this one L by R. You have to remember this formula, okay? Multiple times, means almost everywhere we have to use this one, theta equal to arc by radius, arc length by radius, okay? L by R. Any problem in this one? Arc by radius. If I ask what is the SI unit of angle? SI unit of angle means what is the unit first of all? I'm saying here means if you have seen the previous examples, I have written here in the degree, but degree like 30 degree here, 45 degree, that is not SI unit, okay? So its SI unit is basically here your radians, you have to write, okay? Unit of theta, its unit, you will write, that is the your radian, okay? Unit is what? Radian, okay? SI unit is radian, you have to remember. And why I'm not writing here SI unit? Okay, you might be thinking that you are saying SI unit but not writing. You will get to know that there are the certain types of unit, SI unit, CGS unit, MKS unit, FPS unit, that will come under the your unit in dimension. So just you have to remember the standard unit is the radian. Can you remember? Standard unit is the radian here. Other units are there, that are your degree. Degree is also there, okay? We can use, practically we use degree. Degree everyone knows. Like if you go outside and if you ask, okay, that this angle will be approximately, people will say almost 90 degree, okay? Because this degree information everyone knows. These construction site, if you go, their workers are there, they have information of the degree. But radian, only selected people like you, okay, you have information of radian, okay? So for you, most important thing is the radian. It's standard unit, radian. Now we'll see, okay, what will be the relation between degree and radian, okay? This is our first target to complete today, relation of degree and radian. So now I can say here, can I tell the proof or directly I can write degree and radian relation? What do you say? Directly I can say? No dimension, but dimension and all the things will be told to you in the unit and dimension chapter. That's why I'm not saying anything about the dimension, okay? Directly I can say, okay, like if I say here in this one, in one, okay, I will use the same formula. So in one full oscillation, or in one full rotation, basically, in one rotation. So in one rotation, we can say in one rotation. If I make one full rotation, then you can say how much will be the arc? How much will be the arc? In one full rotation, this length will be equal to how much? Your 2 pi r. Length will be equal to 2 pi r. Yes, na? So we can say length will be equal to how much? Your 2 pi r. And this is the, okay, if you start from here and then you are going like this, then coming to the same point, this is equal to the circumference, that is the 2 pi r, okay? And then I can say, okay, if I use this theta, if I say when I'm moving on one full rotation, then how many degree will be there? In one full rotation, how many degree will be there? Because a lot of people are saying here that 360 degree. In one full rotation, 360 degree. This thing everyone knows. 360 degree means one full rotation. 360 view you have seen in the map, you have seen in the you make 360 video also. So 360 means all around. All around means 360. So we can say 360 degree. But if I use this one, L by R, so we can say 2 pi R divided by R. I'm getting here 2 pi. And this one is basically, I said its unit is the radian. So how to write 2 pi radian? So as per me, okay, what I'm saying that this is the 2 pi radian. And what you are saying, sir, this is the 360 degree. Okay, ABD Mr. 360. Right now we are focusing here. 360 is for us 2 pi. So we can say you are saying 360. I am saying 2 pi radian. It means 2 pi radian is basically equal to 360 degree. Can I say this thing? Yes. 2 pi radian equal to 360 degree. You can say, sir, pi radian is equivalent to how much? So we can say pi radian equal to 180 degree. So this relation you have to remember, pi radian is 180 degree. Yes, pi radian is how much? 180 degree. Clear? Pi radian is 180 degree. Finished? Okay. So now we have to use the unitary method for this conversion. Okay, like pi radian is 180 degree. So you can say 1 radian will be how much? So you can say, sir, 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi. This is the thing that you can remember. Okay, 180 by pi. Okay, so if I say, suppose x radian is given to you, then x radian we can say how much? 180 by pi into x degree. Okay, so what we have seen that if you have to convert radian to degree, if you have to convert radian to degree, then we need to multiply with 180 by pi. But can we use unitary method all the time? Unitary method will take some time. It may take even 30-40 seconds, but it is taking some time. We don't have that time also for this conversion. Okay, so I will not use this unitary method. In next page, I am going to write one formula. So we'll remember that formula. So what will be better for you? To use the unitary method or to use the formula directly? Whatever you say, I will write that. Unitary method everywhere or formula? Whatever you say. Formula. So formula we will, okay. From here only we are getting the formula, okay. This way we are getting the formula. We have to use the formula. We have to mug up the formula. And what is the formula? That if you have radian, okay, or I can say, if we have degree and we want radian, okay, then we will multiply for this conversion, okay, for degree to radian, we will multiply with, okay, we will multiply. This means multiply with what? Pi by 180. Multiply pi by 180, okay. You will multiply with pi by 180. And here if you have to come, then you will just make it reverse. So you will multiply with 180 by pi, and this is the thing that you have to remember, and it is actually very important for us, degree and radian thing, okay. So remember this part, okay. This one is better, this one is easy, because unitary method will take time, okay. So degree to radian, pi by 180, okay. Degree to radian, pi by 180. You can remember like this, 180 degree and pi radian. If you want radian, then pi should be upside, okay. If you want radian, then pi should be upside. And if you want a degree, then 180 degree means 180 should be upside. So I hope you can remember, you can write and try to remember this thing, because a lot of time we have to use, like some chapters are there in which we don't use angles in the degree, we prefer in the radian, like oscillation will be there, wave will be there, AC will be there, where we prefer in the radian, okay. So it is important. So make it fast. Yes, now we'll go for are we ready for the questions? Because I will write question, you have to answer, okay, and you have to answer very fast. That's the thing, okay. Answering is not okay. Quick answer I need. Are you coming to offline classes also? Of course I will be there, okay. No, I will be there in the offline. So now we can say questions are there. So what I'm saying that if you want radian, what we can do? If you want radian, then radian means pi. So pi by 180. If you want a degree means 180. So 180 by, okay, 180 by pi. Yes, yes, for boys campus. So we can say degree means, degree means, okay, degree means 180 by pi. Like this, you're thinking the degree means 180 means 180 should be upside, 180 by pi. And radian means pi should be upside, so pi by 180, okay. I am going to write, okay, few basic angles. For that we need to remember, okay. So offline classes going on at a time. Yes, offline classes are there. Now 30 degree. So we can say I want radian. So 30 into how much? Pi by 180. 0 cancel. 318 6. It becomes pi by 6 radian. And a lot of time we need. So you need to mug up also this thing. That 30 degree is equal to pi by 6. Means for this conversion, we will not even convert. We will directly say 30 pi by 6. Pi by 6 30. Okay. Next one. Number 2, 45 degree. And 45 degree we can say, yes, you are, okay, 45 into pi by 180. But I am not getting the answer as fast you should answer. You are answering little bits. Very good. So we can say here 45 and 180. How you will cut this one? Using 5, using 9. Okay, it actually becomes pi by 4 radian. Okay. One more thing. Okay. I forget to give you homework. You need to, first I will give the homework. Other than this, okay, one homework is there that everyone how to do. You know tables? Tables? 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, like this. Up to how many you remember? Up to 20 you have to do. Tables up to 20 minimum. Minimum requirement is 20. You can go up to 30, 20, no problem, okay? Up to 20 tables must. If you want that physics will be easy to you, you have to do this thing. Up to 10, 12, everyone knows. Why I am saying this thing? Because a lot of time in the calculation when we have to, okay, when we have to cut like this, na? Like I say, just I thought that this will be the 9. So here 5 and here we can say your 20. 5, 24 directly I have written. Up to 20 you need to do the tables. Okay. Next thing, you know square, like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. Up to what you remember the square? Up to 20 square also. Like 15 square is this, 16 square is this, 17 is that, like up to 20. Not 15, 20 I need. Okay, 20. I don't need more than 20. That okay, for that you can manage, but 20 is the means. You have to mug up. Next thing is cube. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 3. You will not calculate. It should be remembered. So we can say up to 10. Cube only up to 10 you have to remember. Okay. Yes. These are some basic things you should know before doing the calculation. Okay. So up to 20 tables, up to 20 square, and up to 10 cube. Okay. Because when we don't know these things, we will take some extra time for the calculation. And you know how much time is there for one question? How much time is there for one question? Not 1 minute. Less than 1 minute is there. Less than 60 seconds. 30, 40 seconds is the effective time for a question. Because in that time of 60 seconds, you need to read. You need to analyze the question. Then you how to solve. Then you have to fill the bubble. That's why I'm saying okay, our calculation, if you want to make it fast, do this thing. Okay. In the next class, it should be ready. Otherwise, in the screen, it will come like this. So now we can say here in this one, 45 degree we got. Number 3, we can say this is the 60 degree. And what do you say about the 60 degree? Make it fast. 60 into pi by 180. And this becomes your pi by 3 radian. Okay. And then I can say here in this one, that is the next one, 90 degree. And we can say 90 degree is basically nothing but the 90 into pi by 180. 0 cancel, 9 18 2. So this is the pi by 2 radian. For others, we can convert. But for these things, we have to remember, we have to mug up that whenever I say pi by 2, you will say, sir, pi by 2 means this is directly 90 degree. When I say pi by 3, you will say 60 degree. Pi by 6, you will say 30 degree. Pi by 4, you will say 45 degree. This part, okay, these are the questions also, as well as we need to make means no conversion required. I will take now some more questions. Okay, so here we got in this one. Suppose we got 120 degree. Okay, now these things you don't have to mug up this side. Okay, 120 into same thing we'll use pi by 180, and now we can say 0 0 cancel. Using 6 we can say this becomes how much here? Are using 6 into 2, 6 into 3, 18, 2 pi by 3 radian. What will be the answer for this one? 150 degree. What do you say? 150. Yes, 150. 150 I am asking. Till now not a single person have given me correct answer. So we can say here 150 into pi by 180, and then you can cancel 0 0 using 3 5 and here 6. Okay, so it becomes 5 pi by 6. I have cancelled with 3 here 5 and here your 6. When you know the tables, you can easily find with what we have to cancel. Number 7 I can take here in this one, 210 degree. I am only writing those angles which we have to use. Okay, 210. What do you say? 210. I think computer is slow because you cannot answer that much slow. Yes. So we can say this is the 210 into pi by 180 and 0 0 cancel. So using 3 we can say 7 pi by 6. Okay. Number 8 I will give here. Suppose this is the 300 degree. 300 degree. Tell me fast. 300 degree. We can say pi by 180 and 0 0 cancel. Using 3 we can say, or using 6 also you can say 6 5, using 6 here 3, so it becomes 5 pi by 3 radian. Okay, so I hope you can convert any degree into radian. Can you convert any degree into radian if I give you any degree? Any degree means any degree, anything if I give you. Yes. So at the end I will give you some homework. Okay, I'm not taking more questions. At the end some homework I will give for the practice and you can do. Okay, and for the answer you can do the Google. Okay, Google knows all the answers. Okay, so at the end I will take now next thing, that is the your second part. I will give you radian and then you have to tell me answer in the degree. Okay, radian will be given to you. So add, and this is there. Number 1, these examples are, suppose you got here in this one, that is the pi by 5 radian. Pi by 5 radian you need in the degree. Pi by 5 came suppose somewhere. Now, one thing is there, no one is going to ask these questions directly. Okay, don't think that in NEET this question will come, convert pi by 5 radian into the degree or degree into radian. Uses will come. Okay, like in the formula we will be having, so we have to convert, that thing is there. So we can say pi by 5 and here we can multiply 180 by pi cancelled. So this becomes 36 degree. Okay, number 2 I can say here. Yes. 7 pi by 2 radian. 7 pi by 2 radian. Okay. Now we can see here in this one 7 pi by 2 and okay, for the radian we know that we need to just put 180 by pi and pi, so we can say this is the 2, this will be the 90, this becomes your 630. Okay, like this we can do some conversions. Okay, one more I will give, of course more examples I means I think not required. Suppose this is the 2 radian, or not the 2 radian. Suppose this is the 1 radian. I have given here 1 radian. Okay, 1 radian. This one you have to tell me 1 radian. I need approximate value. You have to, okay, 1 radian, approximate value I need. 1 radian in the degree. 1 radian. 180 is wrong. 180 is wrong. Lot of people are saying 180, 180. Arey. I am saying wrong. Still you are answering the same. 180 not correct. 1 radian. 1 radian. 180 is not correct. I need value in the degree. Okay. I need value. Means how many degree? Do you know what is the value of pi? Because this, okay, value of pi. This is the more, okay, lot of people do this mistake. What is the value of pi? Tell me first value of pi. Then only I will tell the answer. Value of pi. Listen always. Remember this thing. I'm writing here and never do this mistake. Pi value whenever you have to put 3.14 or 22/7. Okay. Depending on the use, you can take. Pi is 3.14 or 22/7. Never take pi as 180. Pi is not 180. Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. Get the difference? Pi radian is equal to 180 degree. But value of pi is always 3.14 or 22/7. Got this point? Pi radian is 180 degree. But value of pi is never 180. Value of pi is 3.14 as 22/7. So always you have to use this thing. Okay, whenever you have to put the value of pi, you have to use this 3.14. I am saying again and again, and still whenever this thing will, you will do the mistake. So 3.14, so we can say 1 into, we can say 180 by pi. Now I will put here 180 divided by 3.14. You can use the calculator and then tell me the answer. 57.3. Okay, 57.3 degree roughly. Okay, this is the 1 radian. Okay, 57.3. Clear? Roughly we can say 60 because 57 is close to 60. Okay, but 57.3 because when we divide with 3.14, you can say sir 3.14 for the approximation. I will tell the one rule of approximation also. How much approximation we can take? So we can say that in this one, 2, okay, means 3.14 means 57.3. So I will give some more. Suppose you got 2.5 radian. What you will put? 2.5 radian. Yes. 2.5 radian. Huh? Here no need of calculation. Calculation we can do later on because we can say 2.5 into 180 by pi and then we can do the calculation. This one is the degree. Okay. So I hope this conversion is also clear. If I give you radian, can you convert into? If I give you radian, can you convert into? Yes, approximate. Okay, okay. Means only thing that I'm focusing here right now is the concept that you got the concept of degree radian, radian degree. Yes. Till now in this class we have learned only 2 things. Degree radian conversion we have learned. Degree to radian, radian to degree. And I hope no one is having doubt in this one. You can easily answer degree radian as well as radian degree. Finished? Well, I can take 100 of the examples if you are okay. If you have doubt, I can take some more examples. But if you don't have doubt, then the 3-4 questions also enough. Yes? Enough. The radian. When I the lag is internal going to the down like this. Okay, it still blur or okay? Loading. So many people are saying loading. It means okay, that problem is okay. We can wait. There is no problem. Audio coming, na? Audio is there. There is no problem with the audio. Audio clear. Video is blur. I'm saying about the audio. Audio okay, na? Audio, huh? Okay. Yes. So basically, sometimes what will happen if video is not coming? Okay, we can do the question. Okay, we cannot wait for the video. This is the first class, so I'm waiting. But audio clear. I will tell the question. You will answer. That's it. Okay. So remember, theta equal to arc by radius means theta should be in the radian. Okay. So now one question I am going to give you here, and I hope out of these whatever the slides we have completed till now, you don't have any single doubt here. Okay. Yes. In this one. Okay. So now I'm asking here one question. That this one is the one. Okay. In this one, you have to find arc length. Okay. This one is given to you, and you have to find arc length. They are saying that this is your center here. This is the point O. This radius is given 10 centimeter. This r equal to 10 centimeter. It makes angle of, okay, it makes angle of 60 degree. Find arc length, okay. This arc length you have to calculate, okay. When reference line makes angle of 60 degree, okay, then we need to find arc length. We have to find this L, okay. When this is making 60 degree, we need to find L. Let's see how many people are getting correct answer. Yes. Offline, online, same thing will be the syllabus is there, same thing will be there. 600. That's why I'm saying, why are you saying continuously that when you have to use theta equal to arc by radius, then theta should be in the radian. When I'm saying you need to focus that word, when something I'm repeating for 3-4 times means that is actually important. Theta equal to arc by radius, theta must be in the radian. Theta must be in the radian. Okay. Again, I'm saying a lot of people have answered here. You can see 600, 600, 600. Theta equal to arc by radius, theta must be in the radian. Okay. Listen. So we can see here theta equal to in this one, when I'm using this one, arc by radius. So theta should be in the radian. But what is the problem here? Theta is not given in the radian. Theta equal to that is given here 60 degree. So my first task here is to convert theta equal to 60 degree. I will convert into radian. So 60 into pi by 180. Now we can say this one is pi by 3 radian. So always in this theta equal to arc by radius, keep in mind when you are using this one, okay, when you are using this one, theta should be always in radian. I'm not saying that right now multiple times we'll use this one, and theta must be in the radian, okay. So we can say here in this one, pi by 3 we got, arc we have to find, radius I can put in the centimeter, so I will get, okay. So arc actually here becomes in this one 10 pi by 3 centimeter. If you want value, then we can say arc will be equal to here 10 pi 3.14 divided by 3 centimeter. Roughly, if I say, then how much? Roughly you can say, yes, I can say 10.3, yes, 10 I can say, 3.143, 10.3, okay, 10.3, 10.4, okay. So that is our answer. Can we solve like this? 3 cancel, or we can say answer becoming as 10.3 or 10.4, you can say. Okay. Ready for next question? Can we do the next question? Okay. But you remember always arc by radius you have to remember. Okay. So now I'm asking here another question. Add. They will say that, okay, a particle, this is the question of circular motion actually, okay? In the circular motion, this question will come that a particle is moving on circular path, particle moving on circular path here, and they will say that when particle have, okay, when particle moved by 120 degree, this angle is 120, okay, find how much distance it have traveled, okay? Or in the kinematics also you will get these type of questions, distance and displacement type questions. I hope you are able to link also, because you are not fresher, you have seen your 12th class, 11th class. So distance means basically from here to here, how much this thing, that is your distance. Particle moves by 120, so you need to find, and this distance again I am giving here, okay? That is your, suppose r, radius is r. In terms of r you need to answer, okay? How much distance it traveled means this is your arc you have to find, okay? How much distance. For the displacement that you will get in your 1D when motion in one dimension, then about displacement also you will learn. But right now I need about your distance here. Yes. How many people are saying? In terms of R only you have to say. So we can say right now in this one that I will use theta equal to same arc by radius, okay? And theta is basically here 120, so I need to convert. So I will take theta as 120 here, and already I have told you, but still I am saying this thing pi by 180. So you will say 0, 0 cancel. This becomes 2 pi by 3, and you have to put here 2 pi by 3 equal to arc that we need to figure out here. Radius is r, so we can say arc length that is equal to the distance in this case, which will be the 2 pi r by 3, okay? And 2 pi r is the circumference, that is the 1/3 of circumference also. Yes? Clear? You have the idea of distance and displacement? You have idea of distance and displacement? Yes? Our result will come today. Very good. Result coming or not coming? I am asking this thing coming or not coming? Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Next question. Ready for next question? Ready? Okay. Who started Rolex again here? Okay, now. So next question for you, and yes. Now we have another question in this one, that is they are saying here that it moves by, okay, it moves by 90 degree, okay? It moves by 90 degree, okay? Now we can say here in this one, Rolex is fine, but now focus on this question here, okay? This question is right now more important. This will come in 1D also. This moves by, okay, 90 degree. And you have to find in this case distance. Displacement I am not saying, but displacement you can easily find, okay? Distance means this thing, arc, okay? This is the, I can say, R. What will be the answer here? Yes? This is the initial position. This is the final position. This is the initial, this is the final, okay? So now we can say we'll use theta equal to arc by radius. And then we can say here in this one, that is your theta. 90, 90 we know pi by 2. So pi by 2 equal to arc by r. So directly we can say arc becomes here pi r by 2, okay? That is our distance also in this. Can you tell me the displacement also? I'm not telling here because this question will come in the 1D. Just asking for the general knowledge. Can you tell the displacement also? Because you are in the 13th class, not in the 12th class. Root 2r. Yes, root 2r is the correct answer, because for that one you will find minimum distance, shortest distance between initial and final, that you will get this one. Okay, and this one you can say this is the r, this is the r, so this will be root 2r. Okay, root 2r will be there. That will be the displacement, but that will come later on. Okay, and what are the displacement? Least. Okay, so this will be the distance, and then we can say RR using the Pythagoras. I can say root 2R, but Pythagoras also I have not told. Some people can say what are the Pythagoras? Okay, so we'll say, okay, first I will say the Pythagoras, then we'll use that one. So this is over here. I will say next question now. Ready? Make it fast. This is the next question for you. And we got here in this one. They are saying that this line, okay, and arc length is given in this question, and this is the 10 centimeter. This theta you have to find, and this one is given here 31.4 centimeter. You have to find theta. What is the theta? What is the theta? Sir, will result come today? Result comes or not comes? Question should come. Answer of this you have to tell fast. What is the answer for this one? This theta you have to find. I need answer in degree. Answer I need in degree. That is the one thing. In degree answer is required. Okay. So now we can say nothing is there. So theta equal to, okay, what is this? Now it becomes very easy for us. Arc by radius. We have practiced so many questions. 31.4 divided by 10. So theta actually becomes here 3.14. Okay, radian, which is actually your pi radian. And we know pi radian is how much? Your 180 degree. Okay, finished. Over. Yes. So degree and radian questions today we have done. I don't think any single doubt is there. Can I tell you two more important unit also for this one after degree radian, if you're comfortable in the degree radian? Yes, degree radian is finished. Okay, done here. So now I will tell okay, two more convergence we need to finish today. That is the, okay, 1 degree, this is the degree, okay, equal to 60 minute. Minute we can say like this also, 60, one single line like this, 60 minute. You have to remember, okay, this thing. 1 degree equal to 60 minute. And we can say 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So these conversion also we use 60 second, we can write 60 double line. So this part, these are used for small angles, okay. One small angle approximation I will tell. So for the small angle we use minute and seconds, okay. 1 degree equal to 60 minute and 1 minute equal to 60 second. You have to remember. And now these conversions we have to do, because multiple times in our optics when we will observe, okay, any tower or any star from the long, okay, from the long distance, then that formed angle, it will subtend at our eyes will be very, very small angle. Then they will say angle in the minute or angle in the seconds, okay. So I hope we remember 1 degree equal to 60 minute, 1 degree equal to 60 minute, 1 degree equal to 60 minute, and 1 minute equal to 60 second. This thing everyone knows. 1 minute equal to 60 second, 1 degree equal to 60 minute. You have to remember. This might be a little bit new for you. So 1 degree is the 60 minute, okay, and 1 minute is the 60 second. Ready for these conversions? Okay. So I'm taking the next slide now, and this one goes here. Question. Suppose they have given here in this one that they give 0.2 degree. 0.2 degree they are asking in minute. 0.2 degree in the minute. What we can say, sir, 0.2 and 1 degree is how much? 60 minutes. So this becomes how much? 12 minutes. Can we do like this? Huh? 1 degree now. In place of 1 degree, I have just written, in place of degree, I have written 60 minutes. Okay. And if they are second, if they are asking second, then what we can write? 12 into, in place of 1 minute, I will put 60. Okay. So I will put 60. So it becomes how much? 720 seconds. Okay, so we can convert a degree into minute also as well as second also. Okay, next question for you. Question number 1, question number 2. Suppose 0.05 degree is there, 0.05 degree, and they are asking in the minute. We need in the minute. What we can say? We can write 0.05 into 60. So 60 into 5 is how much? 3 you can say? 3. Okay, 3 minutes. Very good. And minute, if I have to convert, then we get 3. 1 minute is the 60 seconds. So that becomes how much? Your 180 seconds. Okay. I hope second question is also clear. Ready for third question now? Third one. Okay. Third one is there. Suppose they are saying 0.0025 degree. This one is given. 0.0025 degree. What we will say? 0.0025 into 60, and 25 into 6, 150, and how much? Tell. 150 means 1500, and then 4 decimals also there. You can say, sir, this will be 0.15 minute. I think I am clear. Are done na? What I am saying here, 25 into 60 will be how much? Your 1500. And then 4 decimals, you will put 4 decimal means 0.1500. This is minute. Then we can write here 0.15 into 60, which actually becomes 15 into 60 each. That's why I said tables are required. Okay, tables up to 20 required, so that we can do faster calculation. This will be how much? Your 900. 2 decimals. So 2 decimal, if you remove, then it will be the 9 second. I hope these conversions are clear to you. You can do these conversions properly. Okay. Can I ask minute to degree also? Minute to degree. Minute to degree. Okay. So this slide. Okay, I'm going to the next slide now. Moving to the next slide. Okay. They are saying here in this one question, convert 1 minute into radian. 1 minute to radian. Okay. If you remember, this question was asked in which year? This question, that same question, asked in which year? Can you tell? In 20, this was there. Okay. This question came. 1 minute you have to convert into radian. So first of all, 1 minute you will convert into. You have to convert into. First of all, we have to convert into degree. Okay. You have to convert into degree. And how we can convert minute into degree? How to convert minute into degree? 1/60, because okay, 1 degree equal to 60 minute. So we can say 1 minute equal to how much? 1/60 degree. Okay, this is there. 60 minute 1 degree. So 1 minute 1/60 degree. So 1/60 degree. I hope anyone having any. This is clear. 1 minute 1/60 degree. And then we can know 1/60 degree we can convert into radian. Now we can convert into radian. We have to multiply pi by 180. This is our radian. Calculation you can do. This exactly same question was there in the 2020. Those who didn't know or they forgot this degree radian conversion, they were not able to solve this basic question. So sometimes from the basic mathematics, direct questions like this also can be asked, like this was asked. Okay. And you can see, okay, and whatever the material you are having, you'll find this question was there in 20. So can I give you next question now? Minute I will give you, and then you have to convert into radian. Yes? Okay. No. Someone is saying here pi by 3. 60, 180. You cannot cancel like this. Someone is saying, listen, someone is saying 60 into 180 and then 60, 80 and pi by 3. It is not, this one is not correct. Okay. This thing, can we do like this? This thing, okay, 100% wrong thing. Okay, don't do this thing. Okay. That's why I'm saying physics is not tough. Physics is quite easier. In physics, I will tell the formula, you have to put the values in the formula and then you have to calculate. In calculation, we do this thing. Okay. So next question is here for you. That is, suppose if I give you 90 seconds to radian. 90 seconds to radian. So what you will do first of all? Second to minute, minute to degree, and degree to radian. Like this order you will go. Okay. I need answer from you. That's why I'm waiting for 1 minute. Second to minute, minute to degree, degree to radian. You have to move like this. So do it fast. Yes. No one answered till now. I am waiting. Who will answer fast? No need to do calculation. 1.5 pi by 180, 1 by 40. We got two options. 3 pi by 360, third option. Some more options. I am waiting. 1 by 40 degree. I need radian. Already written the 90 second to radian. I need radian here. So what we can say basically in this one, 90 seconds. Everyone knows, okay, that here in this one, 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. So we can say 1 second will be equal to 1 by 60 minute. You will use this one. In 1 minute, 60 seconds are there. In 1 minute, 60 seconds are there. So in 1 second, 1 by 60 minute will be there. Okay. In 1 minute, 60 seconds, 1 minute, 60 seconds means 60 seconds equal to 1 minute. 1 second, 1 by 60. So we can say first of all 90 into 1 by 60. Now this is the minute. First we have to convert second to minute. Go by stepwise step. No need to do directly. 0, 0 cancelled here. So you can say this is actually here 3 by 2 minute. Okay. And now this minute we will convert into degree. Okay. Never skip any step here in the, at least whenever calculations are there in the starting. When you become expert, you can skip. So now we can say 3 by 2 and minute will convert. So we can say again 1 by 60. That actually becomes 360, 1 by 40 degree. This is the degree. And till now, a lot of people were correct also. Up to degree, you were correct. Okay. Some people were correct up to this. But I'm not asking degree. I'm asking radian. One more step we need to go. One more step we need to follow. You don't have to stop here. So we can say 1 by 40 into pi by 180. That actually becomes pi by, and if you know this tables already, I said you have to do, it becomes radian. Okay. Yes, this is the answer. I hope a lot of people got correct answer. Yes. So can you do these conversions? I will give one more question because in this question you have done some mistakes. So one more question I need to give. So then all the conversions will be completed about the degree, means about angle, degree, radian, minute, second. Then in next class we'll be having our ASTC. You know ASTC? ASTC, all silver teacups, all students like this. 2 chapters and few chapters were removed in new physics NCERT. Doesn't matter what is removed in the NCERT, we'll always follow the NTA syllabus. Till they don't give anything, we'll follow all the things. Okay. And this syllabus things we will decide. Okay. Don't worry about the things. Already I said we are not going for the 720, we are going for the 800. So that thing we will decide what we have to teach. Out of that, what removed or not removed. So no question out of that. Okay. Ready for next question? The next question. Okay. Next question I'm going to give you and you have to tell me correct answer for this one. Okay. Yes, if I give you in the second, one more time I will tell. First, this second should be converted to minute. Then this minute should be converted to your degree, okay, and then degree should be converted to radian. How to convert second into minute? 1/60, and then minute to degree also 1/60, and then degree to radian you can just say pi/180 here, okay. So next question is for you, and this one is 240 seconds into radian. 240 seconds into radian. Make it fast. Let's see who will answer fast. 240 seconds into radian. Who is going to answer fast? Yes. No, still no one answered. Make it fast. And don't do Google. You have to do calculation. Sometimes Google also gives wrong answers. Yes, we got answer from Sajid, then Sriram. Okay. Now you will match. A lot of people got the answer. You will match. I'm going to solve this one. So we can say 240 seconds. First of all, you have to write like this in the minute. So 240 into in 1 second 1/60 minute. So we can say 60 to 40 becomes 4 minutes. This 4 minutes should be converted to now degree. So 4 into 1/60, that becomes 1/15 degree here. And then degree should be converted to radian. So 1/15 into pi/180. So now we can say this becomes actually here pi/15 into 180 radian. Calculation you can do at the last. I hope these are the same steps you have followed. Yes. Okay. So this class is almost getting over now. If you want, I can give you some homework. Yes. For these conversions, degree, radian, radian, degree. Because for the next class, you will revise ASTC rule. Otherwise, I will tell you don't know, doesn't matter. From the very, very basic, I will tell the ASTC rule because that's the second part that we need. This is the first part that we need in our basic mathematics. Practice, do your tables and squares, cube as well as. Okay. So I'm giving some homework now, okay? Some homework questions to you. You can make it fast. And that homework means very less, okay? Not much. So like this is there, okay? 20 seconds to radian. 2.5 minute to radian. 18 seconds to radian. Okay, that is enough. 3 questions for the practice. Enough. Bye. Okay, revise these things. Do some more practice if you find any. Okay, you have to be perfect in the degree, radian, minute, and second conversion. Okay. Yes. Any other doubt you want to ask? Now you can ask anything, whatever you want. Yes. Now class is over. If you want, you can ask. You can ask anything. Yes. No question left. Very good. Bye. Enjoy.